Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open full-size quick panel on a single swipe down from top in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we swipe down from top, so we'll see the quick panel buttons. So in order to see the full-size quick panel, we need to double swipe in order to see all the toggle buttons, right? But we want this full size quick panel to be shown just by single swipe down. So for this, what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock. Just search this application. On the first list, you will see the application. Just install it if you have not installed this application. And if your Samsung smartphone does not support this GoodLock, then still I have an alternative software which I'm gonna show after a few seconds. So you firstly download and install this application, and for those Samsung smartphones where GoodLock does not support, then you can just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for FindLock, which is almost similar to the GoodLock. So if the GoodLock does not support on your Samsung smartphone, then just download and install the FindLock. And after that, just open the respective application. If you're installing the GoodLock, then open the GoodLock, and if you're installing the FindLock, then just open the FindLock. Now just scroll down below. Now here you will see one app name with a quick start, right? And on the right side you will see one download icon. Just download this quick start, tap on install. So once the installation is done, just move back. Now scroll to the top. You will see a quick start has been installed. Now just tap on it. Now just enable this option, and at the bottom you will see here one option written open quick panel directly, right? Just enable it. Now let us minimize it, and now whenever we swipe down from top, now you can see here the full size quick panel will show up. Before it was showing in a minimized state. So let us try again. So now you can see the full size quick panel shows up. So before it was just showing this much of toggle buttons, right? So by using this method, you can easily open full-size quick panel on a single swipe down from top in Samsung smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.